Today, we're about to embark on a mini journey, one that could change your life: the magic of decluttering and organizing. Imagine waking up to a clutter-free haven, your mind as serene as a calm lake. It's not a fantasy, it's the magic of decluttering and organizing. In this video, I'll share my decluttering tactics, sprinkle in some valuable tips, and invite you to join the decluttering revolution. Tip 1. Understand the benefits. Decluttering and organizing aren't just about tidying up. They're a mental detox that reduces stress and boosts productivity. If you have a messy home, workspace, or even your car, what does that say about you? Apart from saying you're messy, it also means inside your head must be a mess. An organized space results in an organized mind. Tip 2. Commit yourself. Commit to the decluttering and organizing mindset. It's all about attitude. Shift your perspective from chore to self-care. Embrace the change and watch how decluttering becomes a positive transformation in your life. Tip 3. Start small. It's about taking manageable steps without feeling overwhelmed by the grand scale of decluttering. Even the most cluttered spaces can be conquered by tackling one small area at a time. These small victories add up, building momentum for bigger changes ahead. Here's a trick that worked wonders for me. Tip 4. Use the 5-minute rule. Dedicate just 5 minutes daily to decluttering and organizing. Now, here's a question for you. What's one area in your life that needs decluttering? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your decluttering goals. Tip 5. Use the one in, one out rule. This strategy is like a built-in clutter prevention system. When you bring something new into your space, let go of something old. It maintains a harmonious balance, ensuring that your surroundings stay clutter-free and purposeful. Tip 6. Digital decluttering is vital in the digital age. Our digital lives can become as cluttered as our physical spaces. Think chaotic email inboxes, crowded social media accounts, and disorganized digital files. By decluttering digitally, you'll experience the same clarity and peace of mind that comes from decluttering your physical environment. Tip 7. Designated spaces. Allocate specific areas for commonly used items like keys, mail, and shoes. It's a simple yet powerful way to streamline your daily routines. Tip 8. Seasonal decluttering is a game changer, especially during the holiday season. Instead of dreading the annual decoration hunt, prepping early by decluttering and organizing off-season items makes the holidays a breeze. Tip 9. Seek professional help if needed. Sometimes decluttering can be overwhelming, like when I faced my cluttered garage. I needed an army to get it shipshape. Lastly, tip 10. Maintenance is key. The journey doesn't end after decluttering and organizing. It's an ongoing process. Regular routines and habits are your allies in keeping your space clutter-free and harmonious. To wrap it up, decluttering and organizing aren't just about tidying up. They're transformative habits that simplify life, reduce stress, and enhance well-being. These habits are for everyone, regardless of age or gender. So take that first step towards decluttering and organizing, and watch as your living space and, more importantly, your life changes for the better. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to comment below with your decluttering goals and share this video with someone who needs a little decluttering inspiration. Happy decluttering! Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Start today and see the changes unfold in your life. Click here for more helpful videos. Your support helps us keep making videos to help you glide through life. Thank you for watching.